Hey peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous.
In today's video, we're going to carve this fake pumpkin and 3D print some spooky enhancements.
What's happening?
What is that?
That was interesting. Did you pay the electric bill?
This is a carvable pumpkin that we got from a hobby store. So Megan, why would we get a fake carvable pumpkin?
So usually pumpkins only last up to like a few weeks and then they start to smell and get rotten. And we also don't have to take out any seeds or guts or anything, so we just get to carve it with a heat knife.
Yeah, and we get to enjoy it for many Halloweens to come.
So Dad, what are we using?
So to carve out this foam pumpkin, we're going to use a hobby heat knife to get nice intricate cuts in there, nice and clean. And we're going to use the right PPE, which will be some protective gloves and a mask.
Dad, so what are we about to do?
Now we're just going to spray paint the inside of the pumpkin with some flat black to give it a more creepy feel.
Let's go do that.
All right.
So we got a nice base coat on everything since it was gray, so we just made sure it's all white so we can add details. So we just finished painting the pumpkin and its accessories.
Right, now we're just going to let it dry a little bit before installing our 3D printed parts onto the pumpkin with some hot glue. Now we did notice that the foam that the pumpkin is made of is a little bit too dense to just stab the teeth in and for them to stay. So we're going to probably have to pre-drill some small holes to put the teeth in and then hot glue them in place. It should be good.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get to it. So just make sure to hold it down for a while, right?
Yep. Just using hot glue. Nothing fancy.
It's kind of creepy that it only has one eye. So what are we doing now?
Now we're going to pre-drill some holes to put this guy's teeth in. So far. Is that not creepy or what?
Oh my god, this is gonna be my nightmares. So, first impressions?
Really cool project.
I agree. I love how we could incorporate like 3D printing into our pumpkin. Wow, what a project that was. This was pretty time consuming, but there was a lot of wait time in it, so it's gonna be more than just a day project, probably.
Yeah, it's not a lot of time invested in doing it, it's just separated out. So you need time for the 3D print to print, and then paint to dry, and all that. But it was fun. We
Yeah.
actually had some pretty good results with a very scary pumpkin.
I really like it.
Yeah, glad you do.
So I really like this pumpkin because it's so customizable. You can add so many different 3D print pieces. You can add a bow if you want to, or anything you want.
I like it because it won't rot, and you can use it next year.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you get my every single time I post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye!